Introducing the Shelf Upgrade Kit, an essential accessory when working with large stock. With its adjustable support leg, the Shelf Upgrade Kit maintains a flat and coplanar surface with the top of Workstation. Slide the large shelf into place on Workstation's clamping face, then use the lever to lock in the height. Drop down the adjustable support leg, and with the fine-tune adjustment dial, you can ensure that the surface is flat front to back. The large shelf is over 3 times bigger than the small shelf included with Workstation, making it a great candidate when you want to maximize the cuttable area with Workstation. Whether you're driving Origin manually or using it with BenchPilot, the Shelf Upgrade Kit is an essential tool to get set up quickly and provide a flat, rigid work surface.